Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can only install Call of Duty Modern Warfare multiplayer or campaign or special ops or survival, and you don't need to install any other DLCs. Super fast and easy, let me show you how. So you just need to find Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and then you need to just right click on it, go to properties. Once you're on the properties, you should see DLC. Click on it, and then you should see some options. So let's say if I want to just download survival, I can just tick down all these boxes here and just leave it with survival, or for example survival and multiplayer. I need to select only these two, and then what you need to do is to then press install, and your basically your multiplayer and survival will be installed, and special ops, campaign, and weapons pack, in this case, in my particular case, will not be installed. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.